Modern policing requires a lot of technical skills, social skills, communication skills, so they get exposed to all of those types of learning within the program.
One of my favorite parts was having professors who had done the job already. And so when we were going through exercises or when we were talking about scenarios, it was very hands-on experience that had a background specific to law enforcement.
Police services are big on physical fitness, and going into the hiring process, we have the actual gym and the gymnasium, and we're actually up to date on all the physical testing within the actual police service hiring recruitment.
To become a police officer, fitness is a very, very big aspect.
They get to apply to municipal police services, provincial police services, federal police services, and even international.
OLG in the casinos, the actual private sector security, Manulife, they have placements in regards to our programs in advanced law.
As a police service, we have a very big responsibility to our community to make sure that we are leading them in the right direction.
Feeling safe is the goal.